Hello Achara, it's Misha Jamie o Let's Learn Irish, and in this video we're going to learn how to say the numbers 11 to 20 in Irish. Now we previously did numbers 1 to 10 and all you're doing is adding on déag to those numbers. So 11 is haon, déag, 12 is dhéag, 13 is dhéag, 14 is ceathair déag, 15 is cúig déag, 16 is dhéag, 17 is seacht dhéag, 18 is hocht dhéag, 19 is naoi dhéag, and 20 is fiche. And again, so you add on déag to the numbers. So 11 is 1 and déag, haon déag. 12 is 2 and déag, dhéag. 13 is dhéag. 14 is ceathair déag. 15 is cúig déag. 16 is dhéag. Seacht dhéag is 17. 18 is hocht dhéag. 19 is naoi dhéag. And 20 is fiche. So for more Irish, please visit the Irish language community at letslearnirish.com. Gdíon céad uair eile a chara slán go fóill.